Uh, my hello guys. Ngasidi excess pressure in a liquid drop tauge. Yamna common noiva class 11 gi topic amane. So like the over model do not topamong derivation. I will try another way. So this one is more convenient. Sinakatang katare standard oiva ita. So aduna akoina khoi first khanbam daga lei se excess pressure in a liquid drop se kamain tawi jano. Let's see. So ising laurage ka ising ama laure ising je ina glycerin gumba ma thadage bu glycerin gumba drop ama. So glycerin drop se koina ising do nei khai dadi chakhai didna. So samaina drop only. Samaina drop oina leiba matam da ising na kadroba sigi glycerin gi drop se is the force ama or pressure ama pirani inward yarabra. So p naught the mind of the glycerin side is mazu liquid amoism glycerin is mapan the pithok na hona gane yabra aduguna pi. So matam pumna makta sigi pi siga p naught siga manaraga balance tawira haiba wahangam la. No, it's not yabra, because surface tension go property im leina koi every drop of a liquid ki surface tension property le. So what is surface tension? Surface tension is the property of a liquid to have minimum surface area. Surface area big na bo hona jabadubu surface tension go wela na the property to. Aduna surface tension na mara morga ka droba amuk su picture na ba contract to ne yabra. Aduna masagi hana le namba pi de hendok tana ahen ba khara amaga muda ka le yabra. So aduna for equilibrium gidong pi equal to p naught. This is wrong. Lale yaba. Aduna let us try calculate ourselves. Aduna si pi manungi internal pressure jiga outside ki pressure jiga manadrabina mabani khenaba difference sibu koina kai kawi hakanda excess pressure. Excess pressure in a liquid drop is defined as the difference of the pressure inside the liquid and that of the pressure outside the liquid drop. Here we go. So let's move on to the next type. So I will try to zoom here. Sigma padi I zoom tawraga for another one again. I'll try. So let us zoom in. Zoom dawsalage. So zoom tawre. So this is glycerin drop. Side to is glycerin drop ni. So mo the ek to 4 second agana no. Koi first the liquid ki ka shingi F naught ka F naught sida is F naught. Adu ka droba next ka droba amana Fi yabra internal force or internal pressure de lapani. Adu ka droba surface tension na mara moraga liquid drop si so muka droba minimum surface oina ba contract to we have natra. Surface tension na mara moraga area minimum oina ba picture na hone haiba natra. Adu mara moraga oiba force na kai warsiga Fs force due to surface tension. Yarako. So we'll try to calculate how these three are related. So adudi nang sidagi equilibrium equation jung hafi dione force anima inward force ama outward nadra. Aduna F naught plus Fs minus Fi will be equal to 0. See equation jima koi pala kane. We'll use that equation. Okay, don't forget. So aduna haziki derivation je hona na basi spherical drop to ni ngasai glycerin drop to ni maya da tu but khatela se happen wakhanda khai ni ko. So wakhanda khai re wakhanda tangai khadala ka nakana ni the hemisphere ma nagaram the hemisphere sigi liquid drop sigi radius r ni ko r capital R. This is capital R. So aduna surface tension je ka mine ek torong ni sida. So this yellow arrow is the surface tension. It will try to stretch. It will try to mana gadroba sigi yellow sina gadroba chingna na hona ngone sonso yarabra. So aduna surface tension je hana calculate tawse. Surface tension je calculate tawrasi surface tension na oriba force. Let me integrate aina gadroba surface is the length macha lawrase length macha. Let us take elementary length and let us try to integration. So don't forget this formula. Surface tension equal to force divided by length. So force equal to surface tension into length. So dl lauramina integration tawsalo hemisphere the integration tawsaldi ka tarani 2 pi r. Yabra. So integration se khangdra na concept amadong yengbe. Surface tension se all side tagi loina lagto na tra. Yabra. Surface tension se all side tagi lagpadu da kadaraba my curved surface area se curve ओइरिबो जगह से सिनदि कदरबो contribute amta tawdina law khandaba adu only that circular portion of the center maya du circular portion do adu gi length do twice pi r ni na aduna p yarako next kadaba force due to outside pressure, force due to pressure inside ani do putok to wale. So outside ki je honnabo da aina elemental area se antang area da ko hom law se yabra da ko area na mana mon the act of force we can calculate yabra. So aduna hasiki tan cha mana cup se dum u na mit se cup sida sida ka doroba magi maning koliba maning je force act of mayam se ka doroba they will have horizontal component and vertical component. Horizontal ka vertical component ngal reta tu ai je line am singe ko. So I am drawing a line here. So this is the horizontal x-axis. Aduna ka nang na horen sadoki ba matamda resolve to wi matamda x component y component x component y component sum sadok ba matamda y component will cancel out because sonda ma ek tawgini ko swaida ma so ek tawini and y component will cancel out and there will be no negative x component lairoi and always sonda loi laine yabra aduna maram moraga sigi force outside force inside reach na. So FO, FI, SS loi lere kwa force outside ki jama la ne ba F naught P naught dA force the pressure into area na. So this dA will give you nothing but pi r square, not 3 pi r square. Area of hemisphere na teko sigi my mama ji area je pineba. So simply we call it projected area. My hemisphere do na hemisphere ki mami je circle oin ta dro and circle ki area do ta ha yabra mami oina try to think in the mami oina khallo ko adi nangna light ama leire cup ama lawro cup ama lawro ga nangna mathak tagi light capsule matam nang makha da mami kai oin ta circular shape oin ta dra. So adu minus is circular shape oin ta ne force me am nang capsule ju ga dro force me am chakhra ju ga dro ba it will be always circular. Yeah, P naught pi r square. In the same way, you can calculate Fi, force due to inside pressure. Yeah, force due to pressure inside. Yeah, so aduna masagi equilibrium gi kano equation of motion we talk here. Yeah, so equilibrium the motion the Fs plus F naught equal to Fi because I am taking Fs and F naught direction as positive x-axis ne low ne. Yeah, so adi matung da my value do option biro 2 pi r option biro pi r square option biro pi r square option biro pi r square mana bani je son thangro p no che thang tung si tar yabra pi minus p naught equal to 2s by r. So this is the your expression pi minus p naught equal to 2s r. Sini yam simple loiba yam simple drop amagine. What about akoina angang ngai da khutna kongon ga kano tawraga so bubble kam bi sana bi khutna tawraga fu ga taw kam ga sana bi ma leida. So adum matam ne ke doge da na magi akoina kamjan matam nu nungsit ni kam jali do nadra aduna si formula ji maroi kamjan matam na smile leidene yabra. So si blue jina this blue is nothing but this blue is the kongon sub to get thin film amna power film yabra sida ko nungsit kamjalini ko anu si mapan dina outside pressure duni ko aduna manung da leibisina pi ne lawsi aduga thin film jida leibisina p ne lawsi aduga outside china p2 ne lawsi yabra aduna nangi ngasai gi si gi ha ma gi formula se will try to use this formula in double way two ways ani thona sina duni. So ihana na inner surface to panjale inner surface to paladi outside to kya laira p nadra हेक थंगनाबसे मागे हेक थंगनाबसे कनानो p नत्रो सी नत्रो p एक मनुजिना pi अदि कमाई यानी pi minus p equal to 2s by r सिदai सिबु गेरा आपसे r ने लॉट अदु नंगना सिदai सिबु गेरा आपसे r plus dr ने लॉट तार दी कमाई लाकनी अदु सिगी फिल्म जिगा अमुक पांदा पालस सी बाउंड न क्या तारे p minus p2 याबरा फिल्म जिगे एक थंगनाबदी p2 हेक मनुंगना p ले रहना r plus dr ने याम पिक पे हैवन this shows that सिगी फिल्म जिगी थिकनेस याम पिक हैवन याम पिक पनिना we can use like this twice as by r याबा so let us try to सिगी equation number 1 जिगा सिगी equation जिगा adding option ना and you will get like this p1 minus p2 equal to twice s by r सीधा आने क्या था 4s by r अदुदी बबल सो बबल की मनुंग दले बा प्रेशर p1 का आउटसाइड तले बा प्रेशर जिगा क्या हम कहना है p1 minus p2 equal to 4s by r याम ले को सो बबल अनि पुंजल लदी एक्सेस प्रेशर का माइन तौनी का है ना अदुम मना खर एडवांस हुए को अदुना सीना दिस इज द excess pressure for liquid drop and soap bubble haita so that's all loisha lage aduga mathang da topic khar nuai ba ong tok